So Lambda is a fully remote operation. We design and develop software that's used in the optical and design illumination areas. Our customers typically are engineers who are developing new products for automobile industry, solar industry, the space, aerospace, and defense. The applications for light is all over the place, and those are the designers that we work with. It's being a 30-year-old company that has two sales managers as well as one application salesperson, technical sales. Jim helped streamline the process because everything was manual, and they were spending half their days doing paperwork versus selling. He actually gave our sales team some structure. So we actually had a continuous process that they would use on a constant format now versus everybody doing it their way based on the customer's needs. And now that we had a process that works. So we did see some improvement, certainly got a lot more activity out of our sales team. And in the first year that the first year we worked with Jim, we actually had a sales improvement by almost 12%. Extremely bright, has a vast amount of knowledge. He knows a lot of areas, little intense at times, but he's very passionate at what he's doing and will guide you in the right direction. I'm going to be candid here. Sometimes he's rough on the edges, but he's actually right to the point. Chief Marketing Officer and our Chief, we call him Revenue Officer. He helped generate new sales, but really worked in the marketing area as well. Once you get the sales team to follow the same plan, be constant, be consistent, he helped us out with the marketing, so we would target our marketing versus market to general areas. So one of the major things Jim put in place for us was some key performance indicators. So now we're actually tracking our sales by activities. So we're tracking our quotes, we're tracking our demos, tracking our trials, seeing how we're understanding how many contacts we need to have with the customer in order to bring it to the next phase. So we've got real measurable success moments with a consistent process that he helped lay out and implement with our team. It became quite useful. So we have seen revenue growth, and we've got more focused marketing, so that he helped us lay out the target markets, and now we focus on each market separately versus just throwing everything at the wall. He's on target, on point, on time. He doesn't. There's no nonsense. It goes right to the point. He knows exactly. He takes time to understand what we're saying, and then focuses right in on a target. Working with Jim for me was real simple. I knew exactly what I was going to get. He represents himself very honestly. Here he is, and so if you want somebody who's going to be intense and give you when he gives you a deadline, he rides you for the deadline. He wants it done, which is great. So if you want something that's on time, on budget, and comes out in the right direction, I'd work with Jim. Putting KPIs in place and a process to achieve them.